So this lesson's all about geometric sequences in series. Geometric sequences in series have a common ratio or constant ratio. In other words, you're multiplying by the same number each time as you move through the terms of the sequence or series. So here's an example. So I'll show you how to find the first couple terms. Let's do A1. Means you put a 1 in here for n, and 1 minus 1 makes 0, so that equals 2 times 3 to the 0, and 3 to the 0 power is 1, so it's 2 times 1, or just 2. So the first term is 2. A2, 2 times 3 to the 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, so that's 2 times 3, which is 6. So the second term is 6. So let me plot those points. So 1, 2 is right there. 2, 6. And let's do one more. A3. 2 times 3, and then 3 minus 1 is the power. So it's 2 times 3 squared, which is 2 times 9, or 18. So already that one's way up off the graph. And that's what happens with exponential growth. You have an increasing rate of change, and the ratio is constant. In this case, the ratio is 3. So the general form is a sub n equals a1 r to the n minus 1 power. And the a1 is the first term, the r is the ratio, the n is the input, a sub n is the output. So you're going to be doing the same types of things you did with arithmetic. You're going to be doing little puzzles given terms and ratios, trying to figure out the rules. And the algebra is a little more complicated because geometric calculations are just a little more complicated in general. But there are a lot of examples in the lesson for that. You can also find the sum of a geometric series. S sub n equals a sub 1 times 1 plus r to the n power divided by 1 minus r. So you're just using the ratio, the number of terms that you're finding the sum of, and the first term. So for our example here, the first term we said was 2. Then it'd be 1 plus the ratio, which is 3. And then the n, that would be the number of terms. So let's say we wanted to find the first 10 terms. So 10 divided by 1 minus 3. So you can simplify that, and that will give you the sum of the first 10 terms of that series. So that's the big picture for this lesson.